bill of material. So you know, right, what is bill of material? So basically, there will be three categories. First is material BOM. Second is equipment BOM. And third is functional location. Okay. The code for material BOM is CS01. CS01 for create, CS02 for change, CS03 for display. For equipment BOM, it's IB01 for change, IB02, and for display, IB03.
Okay.
For functional location BOM creation, IB11, IB12, and IB30. Basically, all this BOM creation will not be handled by consultant. There will be some super users are there in the company. They will create that bill of material. But we should know how they are creating, what will be the configuration behind it. So I will cover that topic. Okay. So if your company asks you, they provide you the super user access, then you also can go and you can create the bill of material. So path is logistic, plant maintenance, management of technical object, and here you will find bill of material. So this is functional location BOM, equipment BOM, and material BOM. So we start with equipment BOM. Once you click here, you will get IB01 tick code here, IB01. So this is our equipment which we have created. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. BOM usage.
Okay. BOM usage. I'm getting some background noise.
Hello.
Yeah, I am getting some background noise. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Yeah. So here you need to update your equipment, maintenance plan, and BOM usage. So basically, if your BOM will be used for production, you need to one, or engineering design 2, like this. Currently, we will use our bill of material for plant maintenance. So we'll update as a 4. And there is validity form will be updated by the system. So I will enter. Okay. So inside that bill of material, you need to update some components. So I will update our component. Okay. So what is the quantity? I think I will do one. I will just check some bearings or here itself. Okay, ball bearing. Okay, I will update ball bearing. Be required for. It's very general. No need to what I can say. Too much brainstorming is not required. This is very end user or SME job, but for knowledge purpose, I am sharing this data with you. Basically, consultant will not do this activity. We need to perform some configuration behind. Okay, so no need to worry. Sometime in your company, they will ask you to create the BOM if you go to the product-based industry as a SME. So that's why you should know that. Quantity, who knows? Okay, unit EA is not mentioned. Okay. Yes. Oh. So ball bearing 2 pieces. Again, let's see. What are the components we can casing one piece. Okay. Let's choose some pump. Okay, centrifugal pump. I split the okay. Let's we will assign. We will take one pump. The material not maintained. Okay. Okay. So it's not maintained in our plant. Nice. Otherwise, I will check which pump has been maintained. B for 1000 plant. So once you click on this tab, it will take you to the selection criteria where you can select. So I want to check via plant. So let's see bill of material. Plant is there. So material description is star PUMP star. So it will give me 1000 plant, all the pump description up to maximum heat 500. You can change that heat. Okay, pump is there. Okay, one pump, enter. Okay. Okay. So in our hydraulic press, it's very general. No need to. If you see any illustrative part catalog of machine or maintenance manual, you will get the component of that machine. And for trial purpose, you can go to IB01 and you try to update the real-time scenario of your
But
machine.
what if,
And
sir, these components are not available in the list? How can we add?
yeah. I will show you in the next step. I am going via hierarchy. I will show you that. How can you add that component? So you need to update it in CS01. I will show you. Right?
CS0, we have run that.
Material BOM. Yeah, material BOM. I will show you. So basically, if you add this component, I will save. Okay. I have saved this. So equipment BOM created. You will show in slash ID 03. Right? You have seen that bill of material. Again, if you see, there is one checkbox which is assembly in assembly tab. So what is mean by this? This mean by this casing having some material or some sub parts inside it. So this material or this component we need to treat as a assembly. Okay, because pump having again different parts, right?
That category has to be updated during the creation.
Yeah, I will show you that part. So basically, that is again in a CS, this PM assembly, there is some configuration. So I will show you how. this we can update, okay, as an assembly, right? Okay, so I will go to right now IH01 slash n IH01. Okay, installation allow BOM explosion permits. Okay, and I will click. So what is used by bill of material? So we have created one hydraulic press and three components assigned to it, but you don't know anything about that details. So you will go to the functional location IH01 display, and you will activate that checkboxes. Okay. So expand whole. Here you will find the bill of material of that equipment. Have you seen from all that fields you can find, right? I will double click on form. It will take you the material, display material view. So basically, material master team, team will update this data, correct? So we are not authorized to update this data, team. So if you think, means your question is right. If material is not available, how you can update the bill of material, correct? Yeah, but you can update that with only description. There is second option. So sometimes what happens, you don't have material available in your company, okay, as a stock, but you can update the description as a non-stock item. In one of scenario I will show you how you can update that. So have you understand this?
Yes, right.
So if you any machine is in the background breakdown and you don't have any knowledge what are the component inside that machine, you need to go to IH01, enter the functional location where that machine installed, and simply click on expand whole. But you need to activate BOM exposure. All not required. I will show you BOM exposure only. Okay. Okay. No object selected. I think this equipment is start. Okay. Okay. And expand whole. Yeah. So basically, location RFD will install and so here one tab, display level below. I will click on 5 and enter. You will find whatever the level below, it will show you. And if you click on expand, it will expand everything. Again, here is the category L. L means stock item. Okay. Means it has been updated and stock is available in your company. This is quantity of BOM and this is unit of measure in pieces. Okay. So I will go to slash IB 02 change material. Okay. So I will select this. Okay. And there is one tab which is item F7. So just click on F7. It will show you change equipment about this item number, and there is one key, okay, where you can update. It says a assembly. Still let me, yeah, equipment status, plant maintenance. So it will be used for plant maintenance. Okay, and this is stock item. And once you click here, PM assembly means this having inside some components. So this setting should be activated if you want to assign some component or some material inside that equipment. Right?
Yes, sir.
You got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will check the PM assembly activate. Okay. For the atom R-F100. By practice, you can see that directly you can go and you can update PM assembly used for plant maintenance and status plant maintenance, and I will save this. Then I go inside. Okay, assembly. So what we will do, we will create the material BOM for that pump
Oh, okay.
via CS over. That is your question. So I will copy that pump and I will go to CS01. So once you go here, material BOM create, you will find CS01 and system as I will copy that material again used for plant maintenance. Okay, and I will click OK. See pump. So inside that pump, whatever the part, again pump having some bearing will be there, shaft will be there, right? So let's see casing. We'll start with one casing, quantity 1 is
Yes, sir.
bearing. Let's see. Okay, bearing case. Okay. Today I am not getting the bearing in the plant. Let's see. Let me check. Okay, bearing case, flywheel, hollow shaft, firm. So all that data has been updated by MM team via transition code MM01. Okay. Shaft. Okay. Okay. So we have attached 3 materials to that pump and we can save this. So for trading purpose, if you don't find any material, then you can randomly assign the material which is available inside the system, because creation of material is not in scope with plant maintenance consultant, right? Slash IH01 enter. Exports up to okay. Okay. Inside the pump, you will find casing, bearing case, and shaft. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So that is use of bill of material. If your pump got damaged, simply you can open the transition and you can see what material you require. So for practice purpose, you can perform this activity. Basically, I didn't see that much material master inside that sandbox. So you can randomly select some material, but this description you need to maintain from your IPC, illustrative part catalog, or BOM of your machine,
Okay.
right?
That is for only spare.
Sorry.
That BOM has to be updated only for like a component.
Yeah, correct. Component. Inside, whatever you can select material, whatever available in the sandbox. But in real time in your company, you will find there will be like 1,000 of materials and components. Yeah. So once you try to select this, system will got hang. So what you do, always select the bottom level location, not top level location. Otherwise, you will not get data, right? So be careful while you're working on system. Not a careful means again it will take you so much time. So if you find the system is taking too much time to update the data, then just go there and stop the transition. Okay, just click on stop transition. System will stop that transition, right? Okay. So we have seen, I will just go. Okay, we have created one equipment. We have assigned bill of material to it. Copy. Okay, material BOM. We have created material for this AC. Material BOM for this BOM. And equipment BOM for that equipment. And yeah, we will create the functional location BOM. Okay. So what is the T code for functional location BOM? IB 11, right? So /n IB 11, or you can go via this path: logistic, plant maintenance, technical object, bill of material, functional location BOM create. Okay. So what will be the bill of material in functional location?
Functional location is equipment.
No,
Machine.
no, no. So what is used again for bill of material if we can install the equipment? So basically, very general. In functional location, there will be some fans, some tube lights, some pumps, paint, which we can use. All that. Very common and very general things. No equipment, nothing will be in functional location BOM. Basically, it is not used in real-time industry. It's very rarely, because what happens, there is some teams who will performing the maintenance of functional location. With a periodic interval, they will check what are the fire extinguisher on assembly points, what are the tube lights, which working, fan is working or not, cleaning and housekeeping of functional location.
So office equipment or maybe part of functional location we can use.
Yeah, correct. Basically, it will be not a technical object. It's very general housekeeping activities. There is some industries which having contracting for functional location maintenance. So that will be not a inside employees. That will be contractor. They will come and they will repair the fan, tubes. They will give some coating to the floor. shop floor, they will perform cleaning, housekeeping with their means resources like this. So this is functional location. Again, it depends definitely upon the industry. So how they want to maintain it or not. Basically, no one will take care about the tubes and fans, all that stuff, right? But SAP has provided. So some materials, electronic tube drive. Okay, let me see. Yeah, fan is there, exhaust is there. So some exhaust. So how we can track the we need to repair if they fault. So all that things we can track via this functional location BOM. Exhaust fan is there. So there will be like hundreds of fans will be in the functional location, right? On that data engine factory. All that things you can see. Okay. And if you want to see what are the bombing functional locations, /n IB 13, you can display. You will display that exhaust fans, right? Okay. So we go for consultant part now.